Here are some ideas on how to use Google Drive to practice over the holidays or days that we don't have any school. To get to Google Drive, you must have a computer or device with internet. That includes a Chromebook, a laptop, a computer, an iPad, or some kind of other tablet. If there is an app for your device, download that first. Ask a family member to help you find the Google Drive app. For the computer, go to your internet browser and type drive.google.com. The dots are important. If you see a screen like this, click Go to Google Drive, which is the blue button. When you get to this screen, this is where you sign in. So here in the box is where you're going to put your email, but it's actually going to be your username. So remember, everybody's username is going to be usually, sometimes there are numbers, but usually it's going to be the first letter of your first name. So mine would be C. Then your last name. So mine is D-I-A-C. And sometimes if there's another C. Diaz in the school, sometimes you'll be like C. Diaz 1 or C. Diaz 2. So sometimes there's a number here, but I'm just going to write C. Diaz, and then everybody's is at cheshire.k12.ct.us. Yes, you must write all of it. And then your password is CPS, like Cheshire Public Schools, and then your lunch number. So whatever your lunch number is. So it could be like 620000999. However your lunch number looks, that's going to be your password for your Google Drive account. So that's going to go here. And then the last step is I prefer to uncheck the box down here that says stay signed in if other people use your computer, because if somebody else goes into the browser that you used for Google Drive, they're already going to be in your account and you want to keep that to yourself. And then you can share your work with someone at home. So this would be a list of all the things you've created, and maybe more things are created that aren't listed here. So show the pieces you've created with someone at home. You might need to click this button called Recent if you don't see your piece. The next thing you can do is create your own piece over the vacation days. Teachers love reading your written work on Google Drive, and you can share it even when you're not at school. So you're going to click Create, which is this red button here, and then this menu is going to drop down, and you want to click Document, which is the blue one. Then you're going to click this word here where it says Untitled Document so that you can rename it. And you're going to type your title. I titled mine Fun Writing Piece, and then click OK. Then you get to start typing. You can type whatever you want. If you want to write an informative text, you can write about informative text. Make sure you take notes and do your research. If you want to do a narrative story, it can be any kind of narrative you want, or you can just type me a message. And don't forget, the last step is to share it with your teacher. Otherwise, I will never see it. It'll just stay in your Google Drive. So you need to come up here to where your name is, and you need to click this blue button called Share. And when you click that, you're going to get this box. And inside this box is the most important part. So here's the box. And in this People box, see where it says People? That's where you start typing your teacher's email. It's important that you have every part of the teacher's email. I've included Mrs. Laron's email, Mrs. Robideau's email, and my email, Mrs. Diaz's email. You must make sure that you put the @ symbol, the cheshire.k12.ct.us, the whole thing, otherwise we won't get it. And then you click Done. Then we get a notification saying our student shared a piece of document with us, or a writing piece. So you are welcome to share that over the holiday or over the vacation or over any snow days we might have. Feel free to do that, and you are taking your writing to the next level. Have fun with Google Drive.